Alright guys, it looks like Bitcoin has begun to capitulate and break below this level over here, which means our next target would be way down there. Now, if you've been watching my last few videos, I did stated that if Bitcoin breaks this long rectangular square box below the box, then we should be expecting to fill this gap over here, which means we should be expecting BTC to be the price of around about $52,000 to $51,000. Now, what does that mean for Bcoq Inu? Right, if you're a day trader, guys, it's following literally exactly the same footsteps as BTC. And as soon as BTC has come back down to around about this sort of region over here, we should be expecting Bcoq Inu to be around about this level as well, because it also needs to at least fill this invalidation area over here, which means that could be a perfect area for either you can grab some more Bcoq Inu, but if you're a day trader and you just want to get your wins on a day-to-day basis and get your 30-40% per day, this will be a strategy for you over here, simply because at the end of the day, when we do come back down into this level, it will be a great level for a buy. It'll be between over here and also down here. Now I'm actually waiting for it to pull back a little bit more, because this could be a pretty decent trade. You can do it as day trade or you could do it as a hodly. So for my day trade, because don't forget guys, you can also do leverage trade on these memes, whether you're on Jupiter or Raydium. I prefer to use Jupiter because one, it doesn't have so much interference. It's easy for you to get in and out of your positions. They do also have a perpetual trade, which means we can look for leverage. Now if I was to leverage this by 2, this will easily give me 30% move to the upside. However, I am banking on Bcoq Inu to go absolutely berserk in the next few coming weeks. Reason why, because even if you go back to see what Bitcoin is doing right now, because once Bitcoin comes back down into this level over here, let's extend that a little bit more, because it's looking likely that we should, or we are more than likely to head away back in this level. And then once we do hit here, I reckon we should be able to staircase our way back up into that level of 72,000 and beyond. It just means it will take long for us to get to this level once we do capitulate down to this level down over here. But I have to be a contrarian. I know I got some hate on the comments to say that, why do I flip bullish to bearish, because as a trader we can't just predict, we have to also react to how the charts, how the price action moves. And this is the reason why I do give you the bearish and also the bullish case scenario, because this could be a fake out and we could be just going making our way back up to the top. Because if you look to our left, we see how many wicks out we see. 1, 2, 3 where we wicked down, but immediately we went back up again. Just like here, we wicked out, but then we went straight back up at the top. We held well above the support level. We could have gone up, but obviously due to price capitulation that we are in fact seeing our way back down, and it looks like we haven't even done higher high there. That's a level high. So if we do break below this level, then I can see us heading away back down towards that $52,000 to $51,000. That is just for the short term, of course. So that would just mean for Bcoq Inu, it will do similarly, where we will see the price for Bcoq Inu and most of the altcoins following exactly what Bitcoin is doing. It just means that we should be expecting a much further pull down into these sort of levels over here, which I've been waiting to load up a lot of my Bcoq coins, and 2, for my trading account, I've been looking to trade once we do come back down into these levels right over here. Let me just zoom in a bit more. So this is the sort of level I'll be looking for. Now I'm not looking for a precise entry. It just needs to be coming down anywhere between here, then I'll be looking for an entry, holding my position until we come back up to retest this level here. And depending how we react up in this level there, then I should be expecting a continuation to come back up into this region there. Now if this was to happen, then guys, I should be expecting, whether it doesn't matter anywhere here, let's say you guys here, from here to there, that should give me an easy 20% move to the upside. If we react very nicely in this level and break away to the top, use this side here as a support, something like this, where we could do like that. Let's say for example we break up from the area like this, and then we do something like that. Reason why, because this could be the support area, it also acts like a magnet, or usually it does. So we come down something like that, followed by continuation to the top side. If that was to happen, and if I get into a trade where it does come anywhere down to this level there, so from here today it should be about 20%, but if it breaks above and it continues to that area right there, that will give me an easy 41% move to the upside. So that is the kind of trade that I'll be looking for, Bcoq Inu. If you're hodler guys, I know it's been a pretty bad journey where we went all the way back down to this level. We saw some life into Bcoq Inu where we've gone up. Obviously we're going to pull back down eventually to see how we react around about the sort of zone, but hopefully I am expecting Bcoq Inu to be bouncing up. We can't say question of when exactly because no one has a crystal ball, but ultimately I do reckon that Bcoq Inu should really go back up to its all-time high in the next few weeks, maybe even in a few months. So once that happens guys, I won't hesitate to be loading a lot more of my bags once we do come back down into this level over here. But you let me know guys, are you still bullish on Bcoq Inu? Are you hodling like a boss? Are you looking to capitalize whenever we dip? And if so, are you gonna load up a lot more around this sort of level? You let me know in the comment guys. Just want to give you a quick update what's going on with Bcoq Inu and how that is correlating with Bitcoin. As we can see, we are still looking like we should be breaking further down. But anyway guys, I'm going to leave you here. Like I said, just a quick little update what's going on with Bcoq Inu. I'm still bullish on the project. I hope you are too. And if you do find my content useful and informative guys, what are you all waiting for? Do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be updated for all my latest contents and videos. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, you may subscribe to me right over here. If you haven't checked out my last two videos, you may check them out here and there. And I'll see you all in the next one.